I will apply a circular pattern to the teeth of the gear. I want to duplicate one tooth evenly around the cylindrical base of the gear. I zoom into the tooth area, then I click on one of the tooth faces. Notice that the selected tooth face is highlighted. In the design tree, the feature that creates it is also highlighted, and it is named base. Now I click this feature. From the model, we can see that the tooth and the cylindrical base are created as one single feature. Meanwhile, the fillet named root radius is created as a separate fillet feature on this side and on the opposite side as well. All right, we will try the circular pattern in this condition. In the Features tab, I click the small arrow under Linear Pattern, then select Circular Pattern. This time, in the Property Manager, I choose Faces to Pattern because the tooth is not created as a separate feature. Next, I select the tooth faces that I want to duplicate. First, I select the outer tooth face, also called the top land. Then, I select the side face of the tooth, or the flank, on this side. I rotate the view and select the flank face on the other side. In addition, I select the fillet face, or root radius, on this side. I rotate the view again and select the fillet face on the opposite side. To make everything clearer, I change the view to dimetric so the entire gear is visible. The next step is to define the pattern axis. In direction 1, I click the pattern axis field. This time, I will use a temporary axis as the pattern axis. The temporary axis can also be shown from the Hide Show Items menu by activating View Temporary Axis. I select the temporary axis at the center of the cylinder as the pattern axis. Now, a yellow preview and the Direction 1 box appear in the graphics area. I keep the equal spacing option selected. This option ensures that the teeth are evenly spaced around the cylindrical base. I keep the angle at 360 degrees, which means the pattern will cover a full circle. Then, I want the gear to have 80 teeth, so I set the number of instances to 80. I click OK to complete the operation. After the pattern is created, the temporary axis is no longer needed. Go to the Hide Show Items menu and click View Temporary Axis to hide it. Now we can see the final spur gear with spoke model like this.